តោះផលិតមានអ្វីលើកឡើងសម្រាប់ speaking test ខែនេះ
Yes, teacher. I live in a house. I live with my mom, my dad, my big brother Sona, and my sister. In my house, there are 3 bedrooms. One bedroom is for my mom and dad. One bedroom is for my sister. And the other bedroom is for me and Sona. Also in the house, there is a kitchen, a big living room, and a bathroom. Thank you, teacher.
អូខេឥឡូវនេះផលិតបាននិយាយហើយប៉ុន្តែមិនទាន់ដឹងលទ្ធផលយ៉ាងណាទេដោយសារតែជារៀងរាល់ខែគឺយើងក៏មាន speaking test បូកជាមួយនឹង writing test ផងដែរអត់អីទេឥឡូវចាំមើលលទ្ធផលដែល teacher នឹងចេញនៅក្នុងសៀវភៅតាមដាន
Yes, teacher.